How to fix Microsoft Office error code 30015-26. 1. Use Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. 2. Perform SFC and DISM scans as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanup-image/scan healthdism/online/cleanup-image/check healthdism/online/cleanup-image/restore health 3. Disable antivirus/firewall temporarily. 4. Use program install and uninstall troubleshooter. 5. Repair Microsoft Office. 6. Uninstall and reinstall the Microsoft Office app.